Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre and I'm here with something completely different today. I thought I'd show you one of the products that we normally don't think of getting with Stampin' Up! And that is, I ordered myself a planner. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. As you can see, I'm just going to be seeing it the same time you are. Looks like it comes in another box. Okay, let's get my scissors. I thought this would be fun to do an unboxing of this because I don't know how many of you actually use the Stampin' Up! Planner, but I thought it would be a great idea to see what it includes and what it's like. So it's an all-inclusive kit. That just tells you what the kit includes, what the coordinating colors are, a general idea how to assemble it. Okay, and there's what it includes too. Get this sucker open, if I can open it. Very pretty. So this is the binder. It's a nice size. I love the sparkles on it. It's a 2-ring binder. Got a place for your pen. Very nice. And then this is what's included. You can see there's washi tape. Let's cut this open. I love the Calypso Coral. I think that's the color it is. Let's see. Yes. Coordinating colors are Basic Gray, Calypso Coral, Gray Granite, Petal Pink, and Pineapple Punch. So this would be the Calypso Coral. We've got some nice washi tape there. Okay, looks like we've got a couple of place to put your pockets, or put things in the pockets. These are stickers. So you got Love Every Day, Make Today Amazing, Happy Day, Smile, some great flowers, hearts. Okay, I don't know what to use these for. I should admit that I'm a total planner virgin. I have never used a planner before, so I don't know what some of these things are for. So if anyone wants to tell me what those are for, I'd appreciate it. Especially since there's so many of them. Okay, so there's all the stickers. And then you've got your daily. Oh, this is nice. So you've got small days and then big days sections. That'll be really nice to have. So the full calendar as well as the daily sections. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this all together. These are all, there we go. This is really pretty for a place for your lists or notes. Oh, we got silver stickers here too. That's really nice, the silver foil. Beautiful. I guess you just put stickers on the dates around the planner. Like I said, I'm real new to this. Here's your monthly tabs. Very pretty. Very cool. And then your tab to show where you're at. Very nice. This is very cool. Now if I could just figure out how to put it together, we'd be good. Let's see. These are all just dates or notes. Yeah, this is going to take some time, I think, to put together. These are the Thursdays. Okay, well, I'm going to put this together and figure this out myself, but as you can see, it's a really nice planner. I'm very happy with it. I love the colors, love the style of it. I think I'm going to get lots of use out of this, so hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. For more Stampin' Up! News and specials, please check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com. And as always, if you don't have a demonstrator, please feel free to contact me, and I'll be happy to assist you in any way that I can. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Okay, I'm back and I've put together my planner, so I just wanted to give you a quick tour of it once it's put together. And if you don't know how to put your planner together, just like I didn't know how to put it together, there is a video on the Stampin' Up! Store website, right where you bought the purchase the planner, that tells you exactly how to put it together. So here we go. I've got a folder right in the beginning. I'm starting my year off at October because I'm filming this in October, so I want to start off the year right when I got my planner. So the first thing you have is a full calendar that shows your month at a glance, and then you've got your weekly sections. So you've got one of those for each week. Here's where my tab is, since it's the second week of October as I'm filming this. Okay, then we just go into the next month and it's the same thing. And then when we go into the next month and it's the same thing. So we've got through the rest of the year. And then behind the year, I've got pages for notes. Okay. And we've got all kinds of things for notes, and I think I might have these upside down. But that's okay. We can use them either way. And then I've got another folder to put whatever goodies in there I want. And then I've got all my stickers. So I still don't know what these things are for. So if you want to share, please do. But we do have all the stickers in the back. And that's it. There's the planner. I really like this. I'm going to enjoy using it. I hope that you found some useful information in this video. As always, please check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com. And if you're interested in purchasing one of these planners, I will put the link to it right below this video. So thanks for watching and have a great day.